Hello everyone, and welcome back to Travel with Brian, and welcome to Savannah, Georgia. Savannah, Georgia, one of the oldest cities in the United States, founded in 1733 along the Savannah River. Known for its historic squares, moss-draped oak trees, and preserved architecture, Savannah blends southern charm with deep history. From quiet residential streets to its lively riverfront, Savannah offers a mix of history, atmosphere, and everyday life. Savannah's historic district is one of the largest and most beautiful in the United States. It feels like you're stepping back in time just by wandering these streets. Throughout the historic district, you'll find architecture dating back to the 18th and 19th century, charming town squares, and incredible oak trees draped in Spanish moss. Forsyth Park sits at the southern end of Savannah's historic district and is one of the city's most recognizable public spaces. The fountain, which was installed in the mid-1800s, has become the park's most iconic feature. One of the defining features of Savannah is its broad layout of public squares. Each square follows a similar layout, but every square has its own identity. Together, they create a rhythm across the city, offering green spaces, shade, and quiet breaks between streets. These squares aren't just historic landmarks, they're a part of daily life in Savannah. Talk about Savannah without mentioning the river that shaped it. For centuries, the Savannah River has supported trade, industry, and movement throughout the region. River Street runs along the Savannah River on land once used for docks and warehouses. The brick surfaces and worn cobblestones remain from the riverfront's original layout, while ship traffic still moves along the river. Elevated streets and retaining walls separate the riverfront from the historic district just above it, which shows how the city was built to accommodate trade and changing water levels. Colonial Park Cemetery is a living time capsule into the history of Savannah. Many of the marked graves date back to the 1700s and 1800s, making it one of the oldest preserved spaces in the city. Today, it remains an essential part of the city's layout, offering a quiet reminder of the long history of Savannah while honoring those who have made a lasting impact. One of the best parts about Savannah is that you don't need a big budget to explore its beauty. The history, parks, and riverfront are an easily accessible part of the city itself. Whether you have a day or a whole weekend, the history and charm of Savannah are waiting for you to enjoy.